The Boy Who Cried Wolf by Aesop. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who was bored watching his flock of sheep on the hill. To amuse himself, he shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The sheep are being chased by a wolf!" The villagers came running to help the boy and save the sheep. They found nothing, and the boy just laughed, looking at their angry faces. "Don't cry wolf when there is no wolf, boy," they said angrily and left. The boy just laughed at them. After a while, he got bored and cried wolf again. "Wolf! The sheep are being chased by a wolf!" Fooling the villagers a second time. The angry villagers warned him a second time and left. The boy continued watching the flock. After a while, he saw a real wolf and cried loudly, "Whoa! Please help! The wolf is chasing the sheep! Help!" But this time, no one turned up to help. By evening, when the boy didn't return home, the villagers wondered what happened to him and went up the hill. The boy sat on the hill weeping. "Why did you come when I called out that there was a wolf?" he asked angrily. "The flock is scattered now," he said. And the old villager approached him and said, "People won't believe liars even when they tell the truth. We'll look for your sheep tomorrow morning. Let's go home now." The story of the boy who cried wolf teaches us that lying breaks trust. Nobody trusts a liar, even when that person is telling the truth. The Boy Who Cried Wolf.